2026 World Drone Games kicked off in Chengdu. As a globally pioneering event, it brings together universities, companies, and young tech talents from around the world. More than 800 teams from 15 countries are competing, including over 30 international participants, who are experiencing Chengdu's innovation and vibrant energy firsthand.
This is second time playing drones competitions, and I played the drone football last time. Both of the times are located in Chengdu. I think Chengdu is one of the best place to hold this kind of competitions, and also the peoples are very charming about drones competition. They're talentful.
我认为这个咱们成都啊，作为工业无人机的第一城哈，我们的产业基础非常好。成飞还有中航无人机，也有我们像纵横啊、沃飞啊这一系列非常有特色的民营企业。产业上，在全国来说，甚至全球来说，我们成都的这个在无人机这个领域的板块呢，是有一定的这个影响力的。这个人才的角度，我们也是西南的教育重镇。然后我们在校的学生以及这个低空专业以及无人机专业的这些布局的人才培养的基数是非常大的。是通过我们的赛事，能够让我们的这个更多的新技术在体育的运动中展现出来，找到更多的应用场景。
This year's games feature 4 events: drone weightlifting, drone fencing, drone basketball, and low-altitude intelligent control. Together, they showcase drone technology from multiple dimensions. Among them, drone basketball has drawn strong international participation, highlighting the unique appeal and boundless potential of tech-driven sports.
Games generally usually creates this unity between people, and here, since what we are witnessing actually drone basketball, so I feel like it's going to with the development of it, it's going to welcome other countries, other people to come and experience. So coming together, people will definitely communicate. It's going to increase the understanding between different countries.
After the time I came 2023, every year I'm seeing a lot of development in a lot of different side of technology in Chengdu especially. But in the drone side, I have been seeing a lot of different kind of project, different kind of competition. So I think this side of the technology, which is drone, it has a very bright future in China here. I believe throughout myself participating in this competition, I can take some of the experience that I took from such competition and take it back to my country. This way, people can be more familiar with this kind of sports.
There is much talent and much innovation in Chengdu, and I can see that the World Drone Games and the competition like this are evolving in Chengdu, and its internationalization is growing.
Chengdu is well developed in those technical sides. Not only drones, you also have a lot of productions, like we'll say some sort of microprocessors, chips, energetics, some sort of electronics that allow me to say that the Chengdu one of the most developed cities in the China. All the innovations, all the technologies that Chengdu have itself allow us and the people from all the earth come here together and try to all these technologies by ourselves, which gives us unforgettable experience.
At the World Drone Games, technology and vitality move in sync, reflecting the rapid rise of Chengdu's low-altitude economy. Backed by a strong modern industrial system and rich innovation resources, the city provides fertile ground for new ideas like the low-altitude economy to take flight. As more low-altitude plus applications and new business models emerge, this sector is becoming an integral part of urban development and everyday life. By leveraging major events to drive industrial growth and upgrade, Chengdu's low-altitude economy is taking off, injecting strong momentum into the city's high-quality development and cultivation of new quality productive forces.